Hello, this is Trip with a travel information platform. Today, the main tourist attractions in Seoul, where you can easily explore and enjoy at a glance. The Seoul City Tour Bus Downtown Palace Namsan course is what we'll introduce. The Downtown Palace Namsan course is the harmony of traditional culture and modern urban life in Seoul is an exciting experience. From the second level of a double-decker bus, where you can comfortably enjoy the view. Let's get started right away. Exit from Gwanghwamun Station, Gate 6, and walk straight for about 2 minutes then. The Seoul City Tour Bus ticket booth and boarding area is where you'll arrive. There are 2 ways to purchase tickets: online reservations and offline purchases. To make online reservations, visit the Seoul City Tour Bus website. Change the language to your preference. Click on reservation, and you will see 2 available courses. Today, the Downtown Palace Namsan course is what we will experience. After selecting the desired course, input the number of people, and click the Start Booking button. Feel free to proceed with the reservation as a non-member. You can simply close the notification window. Choose your preferred date and time on the booking page. Afterward, enter the reservation details. For the person making the booking, there's an important point to note. Firstly, Seoul City Tour Bus are not available same-day online reservations. Secondly, when selecting your desired boarding date, a blue color underneath indicates availability, while red indicates either a holiday or that reservations are fully booked, making it unavailable. Lastly, for reservation confirmation and cancellations, it's crucial to verify your password. The offline purchase method is straightforward. For the Downtown Palace Namsan course, you can buy tickets on site on the day of your tour at the ticket booth. Please note that every Monday is a regular day off, so plan accordingly. The buses operate from 9:30 a.m. to 4:50 p.m. at intervals of 40 minutes. The route covers major attractions such as Namsan Tower, Insa-dong, Gyeongbokgung, and others, allowing you to circulate through key tourist spots in Seoul and appreciate the beautiful scenery of the city. Additionally, you can disembark at any desired bus stop to explore freely and then catch the next bus. For the ability to board and disembark repeatedly within the operating hours, consider the one-day unlimited pass, which allows flexible exploration. If you choose not to disembark at any stops and return to Gwanghwamun, the entire journey will take approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. The bus has unassigned seats on the first or second levels. You can freely choose any available seat. Additionally, every seat is equipped with a mobile phone charging port, and a personal audio guide system is available for foreign tourists. Connect your earphones here, set the channel to your preferred language, and enjoy the tour with detailed explanations about the tourist attractions. Now, let's hop on the Seoul City Tour Bus and explore the beautiful sights of Seoul. I'll see you in the next video.